one of the most critical fundamentals in good ball striking. Hitting the ball solid, hitting the ball where you feel like you're just making the impact, where the ball is just coming off the face perfect. You're hitting the ground perfect. It happens with what we call a flat left wristed impact. And what that looks like is this. If you look at a great player in the setup, and then you see the great player at impact, you're gonna see that there's forward lean of the shaft from the original position in the address to impact. And you're gonna see that that wrist is flat all the way into the forearm. The poor player, the player that's not hitting the ball solid, has a tendency to let the club head pass the hands, and that creates a scooping action of the left wrist. This is a very, very weak impact condition. What I like to do is I use the Smart Glove and I use the impact bag, and I go ahead and hit little shots, and I'm just simulating the pivot into the bag, and I'm feeling like the handle is leading, my hands are forward, my wrist is solid and flat. This will give you a feeling when you're hitting shots that you've never felt before. Hitting down on the ball, ball first, divot second, hands feel in front, and I can feel that with the impact bag and the Smart Glove.